Now, the Madras High Court has declined to dismiss a petition challenging the election of Union Home Minister P. Chidambaram to the Lok Sabha in 2009.
So the High Court struck down today 2 of the 29 points on which AIADMK leader Raja Kannappan had challenged Chidambaram's election from the Shivananga constituency in Tamil Nadu back in 2009. The AIADMK leader who lost that election to Home Minister Chidambaram had alleged that bank employees he appointed when he was finance minister were deputed at an election booth. That's one of the counts that the court struck down today but allowed the case to go further. Government sources saying the court accepted 2 points raised by the Home Minister, his own party coming to his defense promptly, even as the AIADMK and opposition BJP are demanding his resignation.
Sources close to Chidambaram are telling headlines today that he has taken a tough stand, saying there is no question of resigning since this is not a setback for him. Sources also telling us Chidambaram can file an appeal in the Supreme Court against the Madras High Court order. The High Court order is an order on the strike-out petition that was filed by the Home Minister. Moreover, of the 29 allegations made by the petitioner, the court has in fact thrown out 2 crucial charges against Chidambaram, including charges of misuse of government machinery. Chidambaram's lawyer has called media reports speculative and uninformed. Of course, he's going to say that, and said that the trial in the case is yet to begin and it is at a preliminary stage.
Filed against Mr. P. Chidambaram by Mr. Raja Kannappan, the election petitioner of Shivananga constituency, and consequently the application was moved before the learned judge before 2 years, and the same was taken for consideration, and a preliminary objection was filed by Mr. P. Chidambaram for rejecting the application earlier in the 2011, and the same was rejected at first, and time to time, in order to drag on the issue, he filed an application of striking out an application. The original election petition does not contain all misfinance and fraud and cash distribution and other allegations levelled out of 29 allegations. All the allegations are false. That was a claim which was made by Mr. P. Chidambaram, and the same has been accepted by this honourable court, and the P. Chidambaram's application has been dismissed with only one observation, that the para 4 and 5, where the bank officials' involvement was there in the election duties. Other than that, the cash distribution and the other malpractices which has been alleged, everything has been accepted by this court, and it has been stated that he has to face the trial, and the orders have been passed today, and the other issues will be taken up in the forthcoming course of the case, which is being fixed by the learned judge.
चिदंबरम जी नैतिकता के आधार पर पद पर रहने का उनको कोई अधिकार नहीं है। उन्होंने इसके पहले ही अपने पद से इस्तीफा देना चाहिए था। ऐसी सब बातें सामने आने के बाद प्रधानमंत्री जी और कांग्रेस पार्टी, यूपीए और सोनिया जी उनको क्यों संरक्षण दे रही है?
I think that some mistake is being made when the word trial is being used. Somehow you have an impression that it's a criminal trial. It's the election petition trial. Just like there is a civil trial, election petition trial, similarly there's an election petition to my knowledge, and some observations or some orders must have been made in that regard. ऐसा है कि गृह मंत्री को प्रिंट करा लेना चाहिए इस्तीफा, क्योंकि वो तो रोज मांगते हैं एक, या तो वो इंटरनेट पर दे दिया करें रोज, क्योंकि बीजेपी तो सुबह उठते हैं तो कहते हैं गृह मंत्री को इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए.
It is an election commission petition. It is an election petition. So he has not lost a case which is got to do anything with his functioning as a home minister or as a person. So why is it being taken in a different light?
No, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, for example, Jayalalitha, she has issued a statement saying either he should step down or he should be sacked.
That is
because
all,
in the first place,
as far as Jayalalitha ji is concerned, it's a political issue. The Election Commission of India has declared Mr. Chidambaram elected, and that's it.